Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make harmonies with Suno AI, so your vocals sound fuller, more emotional, and more polished without needing to manually record multiple singers. Harmonies in Suno aren't created by manually editing individual voices. Instead, you guide the model to layer and arrange vocals through the way you write your prompt. So the better your prompt explains the vocal sound you want, the better chance you have of getting natural, musical harmonies. Think of it like giving a producer clear direction. You ask for stacked vocals, backing parts, and a harmonized chorus, and Suno handles the performance for you. Instead of saying something general like, "make it sound good," you want to describe how the vocals should support the lead and where the harmonies should appear. This approach works especially well in pop, R&B, gospel, cinematic music, emotional ballads, and melodic hip-hop. Those styles naturally welcome layered textures and call-and-response moments, so they'll showcase Suno's harmony engine at its best. For example, pop tracks often use harmonies to make the chorus feel bigger, while gospel and R&B can use vocal layers to create warmth, emotion, and a richer group vocal feeling. Start by opening Suno AI, logging in, clicking Create, and switching to Advanced Mode. Advanced Mode gives you more room to describe the vocal arrangement clearly, which is the key to getting convincing harmonies. This is helpful because harmonies are not just about adding more voices. They need to fit the mood, genre, and structure of the song. When you write your prompt, tell Suno to stack voices. Use phrasing like basic vocal harmonies for a light touch, emotional ballad harmonies for intimate layers, R&B harmony style for silky stacks, cinematic choir harmonies for big open chords, and pop chorus harmony focus if you want that radio-ready lift. These phrases give Suno a clear direction for the type of harmony you want, whether it should feel subtle, smooth, dramatic, or powerful. The words you choose set the arrangement, so be explicit. If you want the verse to stay simple and the chorus to open up, say that clearly. If you want background vocals to answer the lead vocal, mention call and response. Small details like this can make the final result feel more intentional. Add harmony-focused keywords to reinforce the sound. Helpful terms include vocal harmonies, layered vocals, backing vocals, choir-style vocals, stacked vocals, multi-layered chorus, vocal doubling, and lush harmonies. These keywords help Suno understand that the vocal arrangement should feel fuller and more textured, instead of staying as one plain lead vocal. You can combine them naturally in a sentence like, emotional pop ballad with lush harmonies, layered vocals, and a multi-layered chorus with subtle vocal doubling. This kind of sentence works well because it gives Suno the genre, the emotion, the vocal texture, and the level of intensity all in one clear direction. Structure matters. Harmonies land best in the chorus, so make it your priority. You can also ask for supporting layers in the bridge, and then a bigger, more powerful final chorus. This creates a natural build, where the song starts simpler and becomes more exciting as it moves forward. In your prompt, call out where you want the harmonies to bloom. Strong, harmonized chorus, gentle backing vocals in the bridge, and a final chorus with stacked vocals. This helps Suno place the harmonies in the parts of the song where they will have the most emotional impact, instead of spreading them randomly everywhere. Paste your short lyrics into Suno, then click the Generate Lyrics icon to let the system format and align them. Keep your lines concise so there's space for layers to sit without crowding the lead. Shorter lines often work better because the vocals have more room to breathe, and the harmonies can support the melody without making the song feel too busy. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will produce two versions, each with different vocal layering styles and harmony intensity. One version might have softer background vocals, while another might give you a bigger chorus or a more dramatic stacked vocal effect. So it's worth listening to both carefully. Listen for the one with a fuller chorus, richer vocals, and better emotional depth. The right version will feel balanced, with the leads still clear while the harmonies lift the emotion. If the harmonies overpower the main vocal, or make the lyrics hard to understand, try adjusting your prompt to ask for more subtle backing vocals or cleaner vocal layering. Save that take, and you've just guided Suno AI to craft engaging, professional-sounding harmonies. Once you get comfortable with this, you can use the same method to create soft background layers, powerful gospel-style choruses, cinematic choir moments, or smooth R&B vocal stacks for almost any song idea.
I kept your glass in my hands even after it all. One crack ran through the middle, still I answered your call. I said I was fine, but my chest said more. Every little piece